Donaueschingen is also a great location for anyone looking to explore the southern and central Black Forest. There are numerous attractions to see in and around the town itself, and what is good about it is that the Donaueschingen sites could be covered in a day. So if you are in Germany and are not sure if Donaueschingen should be included in your next itinerary, keep watching because in this video, I have put together some of the interesting things to see in Donaueschingen. Donaueschingen is known not only for its famous spring, but also for its charming townscape. While strolling through the city center, the Bohemian Baroque-style St. John's Church is particularly striking. Known for its Baroque architecture, this church is a key landmark in Donaueschingen. It features intricate interior decorations and is a site of historical interest. The church is not only a place of worship, but also an architectural gem that is definitely worth a visit. The Donauquelle statue and pool are located in the grounds of the Donaueschingen Castle beside the Church of St. John. The springs are considered to be the source of the Danube stream, which flows from here into the Brigach. Although there are more than 20 different karst springs in this area, there is evidence that this particular one has been considered the official source since Roman times. The pool and surrounding decoration was designed in the late 19th century. The statues are supposed to represent the old bar, the limestone region, showing the young Danube the way to the sea. The beautiful natural surroundings of Donaueschingen with expansive views invite you to walk, hike, and cycle. One can stroll through Donaueschingen Castle Park, one of the largest landscape parks in southwest Germany. Its abundance of water is particularly remarkable. Numerous springs, ponds, streams, and canals enliven the park and bear eloquent witness to the fact that this was originally nothing but a swamp in the Danube source area. There are plenty of ducks on the water, even peacocks that amuses everyone as it spreads its beautiful feathers. You will come across beautiful old trees, blooming gardens, and many monuments as you stroll through this park. The city center are home to numerous owner-operated retail stores, cafes, and restaurants. You can discover the wide regional variety, local specialties, and personalized service. The town has a rich history, and this is particularly evident in its architecture and many historic buildings. Many of the buildings date back to the 18th and 19th centuries and have retained their historic charm. This includes the interesting highlight of the town hall with musician's fountain. It catches the eye of every visitor as you see it from afar with its striking turret and blue exterior. A few distance from the town hall is the Karlsgarten, a small lovingly landscape park that captivates visitors. The colorful buildings in green and yellow captivates the attention of everyone to stay and enjoy the wonderful and relaxing atmosphere. Despite its small size, Donaueschingen is a diverse destination to explore. Whether you want to visit the famous source of the Danube, meander through the charming old town, or explore the surrounding nature, there's always something to discover in Donaueschingen. The town offers a perfect balance between peace and relaxation and exciting experiences, making it the ideal destination for a day trip or even a long weekend. Before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix channel. Until my next travel, cheers!
Mm-hmm.